cutting grass on one side and popping firecrackers on the next side, but I'm crazy and a criminal and a bad person. They need their vehicles confiscated. They need their firecrackers confiscated. They need their fake grass cutting equipment confiscated. They're criminals. They deserve to fry in hell. See, the other trolls, the moment I put them on camera, now they stop popping the firecrackers. But y'all tell me stop filming, don't film, or the more I film, the more I deserve to be harassed more. You don't tell other targeted individuals that.